Young lady, why are you just coming to class now?
I am sorry, Mr. Frank. I am just returning from the hospital. My mom got admitted.
You can go to your seat.
Thank you, Mr. Frank.
I know many of us will be so excited after watching this video, most especially for my phone users. So I can recall making a video about this AI tool. I think that was a few months ago, but as at then, it was only available for laptop and desktop users. It was not available for phone users. But guys, guess what? As a phone user, you can now make use of this AI tool to generate your images, animate your images, and generate your videos. And you know what? The most important thing is that you're using Seedance 2.0 and other AI models to generate these your images and your videos. So guys, it is not a video you should scroll away from. This is me urging you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. This is me urging you to share this video. Share this video, let other persons get to see my channel through you. Now, without wasting time, let us go straight to it. So the very first thing I have to do is for me to come over to my ChatGPT. So I won't be using ChatGPT for my script writing today. I'll be using it for my image generation. I know most of us are not even aware that you can use ChatGPT to generate images. You're not aware. So I have my prompt here already. I don't want to waste your time. That's why I wrote down everything, so I won't start typing as usual. So here on my ChatGPT, I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. This is my prompt here. I'll add it that I want the image. I want the image in 16 by 9. 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Make it bright, please. So this is it. If you'll be using ChatGPT to generate your image, ensure that you include in your prompts that you want your image in 16 by 9. If you don't go ahead to tell ChatGPT this, ChatGPT can just generate any size for you. You understand? So if you want it in 9 by 16, which is for YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos, you can go ahead and say you want it in 9 by 16. You understand? Don't allow this 9 by 16 and 16 by 9 kind of a thing to confuse you. You understand? So at this point, ChatGPT is already generating the image for me. Let's wait for it to get done. Once it is done, I'll take you straight to the AI platform. Okay guys, so at this point our image is ready. If you look at it like right now, I think the quality is beautiful. What do you guys think? Like, you guys are always wasting your time generating your images elsewhere. Personally, I think I like this. So in order for you to download the image, you can go ahead and click on this icon here, or you can go ahead and long press. If you long press like this, you see these features. You just go ahead and click on download image. Now once you click on download image, if you look up, you notice that your image will start downloading automatically. For those persons who are not always having patience, let me mention it now before you come to my comment section to say lots of things. If your picture is not done downloading from this interface, from this particular place, it will not download into your gallery. So you have to exercise patience. You have to wait for the picture to unfold like this fully. You understand? So let's move over to the AI tool I'll be introducing you to. So at this point, the name of the AI tool is Pippit AI. Pippit AI. So once you type Pippit AI, it will bring you to this interface. You see many creators have already spoken about it, meaning that it is legit. So all you have to do at this point is for you to go ahead and look at this logo. This is the logo for this AI tool. So once you click on it, it will take you to another interface. So it will load like this and then take you over to the interface. Let's wait for it to get done. Okay, perfect. It has brought us to this interface. This is their platform. This is the platform, guys. So all I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on start for free. I'll go ahead and click on start for free. Now I'm going ahead to click on start for free, and it will tell me to sign in. It will tell me to sign in. I have an account with them already, but because of you, I'll be signing up. So I can show you how to sign up as someone who is new to the platform. So at this point, it is telling me to choose a Google account. So I'll go ahead and choose. I've chosen this Google account. I've clicked on continue as princess. I've clicked on it, and it will take me to another interface. Now let me mention this before time. Sometimes if you're signing up, okay, good, it has brought us to this interface. It is now telling me to choose my year of birth, my month of birth, and my day of birth. So you go ahead and fix this. Once you fix it, it will take you to the interface where you can generate your images. Let me fill mine. So at this point guys, it has brought me to this interface. So if you look up here at the left hand side, you see all these features. Now I already stated that this platform was not meant for people using their phones. So like right now, if you go ahead and click on this video generator, then you try generating a video, you won't see a space for you to choose the model that you want. You won't see that space. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to look up here at the top right hand side. You see these three dots. You click on it. Now once you click on the three dots, you remove your phone from desktop site. Don't worry, Shebi, I've been telling you guys to put your phone in desktop site. This time around, I am the one telling you to remove your phone from desktop site. You get why? So you have to remove your phone. Now once you remove your phone from desktop site, it will come back to this interface. This is the interface you will see. You can click on any place to leave there. So this is what we are going to do. I'll go ahead and remove my phone from desktop site. After that, it will bring me to this interface. I'll go ahead and click on video agent. I've gone ahead to click on try now. It has brought me to this interface. As it has brought me to this interface, I'll click on this plus sign. I'll click on upload media. I'll click on photos and videos. I've gone ahead to click on the image I generated. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. I have pasted my prompt, waiting for the image to get done loading. Now it is done loading. At this point. All I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on this icon here. I've clicked on the icon. I'll put it in aspect ratio 16:9. I'll go ahead and put it in. Don't use avatar. I'll leave it in English. I'll go ahead and leave it in. It should generate with subtitle, while the video length will be 15 seconds. I'll go ahead and click on confirm. Now I have gone ahead to click on confirm. This is what I am going to do, because I know most of you will be like, so where is the Seedance 2.0 you were talking about? This is what we are going to do in order for us to get the Seedance 2.0. So guys, at this point, I'll go ahead and click on this small icon here, this small plus icon. I have gone ahead to click on it. I'll go ahead and click on these upload media or file. I've gone ahead to click on it. It has brought me to my gallery. I'll go ahead and choose that image we generated. Now I've chosen the image. All I will do now is for me to go and copy my prompt. So I am back here. I'll go ahead and select everything. I've gone ahead to copy it. I'll come back here and paste it. So all I will do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on this icon here. I've gone ahead to click on it. I'll go ahead and choose 16:9. I've gone ahead to click on 16:9. I'll leave it in English. Now if you check below, you see any length, that's the duration. You click on it. I'll leave it in, let me leave it in 30 seconds. Okay, let me leave it in 45 to 60 seconds. I've left it in that. So all I will do now is this. Now guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'll go ahead and choose the model. So for me to choose the model, I already told us that they just made this platform for people using phone to access. So remember, you're clicking on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, you see upload media or file. That's where you're to click on, so you can bring in your reference image. Now once you click on it, you can go ahead and click on this icon. Once you click on this particular icon, that's when you see all these features. You see GPT image 2, you see Seedream 5.0, you see Seedream 4.5, you see Seedream 4.0. Now if you're using your laptop, you see more models, you see Seedance and the rest. So at this point, I'll go ahead and I'll choose any one of my choice. Let me choose this one. So after choosing it, if you click on this place, you'll be told to choose your aspect ratio. You go ahead and choose your aspect ratio. So for the resolution, these are the resolution we have. So I'll leave it in 2K. I've left it in 2K. So at this point, I'll go ahead and generate. Now let me show you something, because I know most persons might not even notice this. You see those icons I just used? They are here. If you don't look at it very well, you won't see. That was why I told you to remove your phone from desktop site. I know most persons will be in my comment section telling me, no, you did not show us well. I cannot see it. They won't wait. Those ones, their blood, they hot. They will not wait and check something very well. If you look very well, let me click on it so you can see. I'll click on this one now. I've gone ahead to click on it. Can you see upload media or file? Now if I should click on the second one, let me click on the second one. Now this is the second one here. This is another one here. This is another one. This is another one. And this is the generate icon. This is the first one. If you don't look at it very well critically, you won't see them. That's because this particular platform is not meant for phone users. So you have to calm down, watch this video so that you can get what you want. So at this point, I'll go ahead and hit generate. I've gone ahead to hit generate and it is thinking. Let's wait for it to get done generating our video for us.